The RSPO Best Management Practices, also known as BMPs for existing oil palm cultivation on peat, provides information on subjects like water management, fertilizer and nutrient management, disease and weed control, and leaning palms. The BMPs help to identify problems at an early stage in order to react adequately and avoid negative impacts like reduced yield, soil subsidence, high emissions, and so on. The BMPs also provide more insight on the risks of growing oil palm on peat. Peat soils are diverse in physical and chemical properties and are not easy to manage. Therefore, it is important to have considerable skills, proper planning, and the knowledge and understanding of peat. While enhancing yields, the impacts caused by cultivation must be as low as possible, especially for some of the long-term effects, such as flooding and climate impacts, due to soil subsidence and emissions of greenhouse gases. In tropical countries, rainfall varies enormously between different areas. Under these changeable circumstances, it is important to prevent irreversible drying of peat soils, long periods of flood, fire, and so on. A good drainage system is crucial for maximizing yields and reducing emissions and soil subsidence. Operations in a plantation on peat get specific attention in the BMPs. If operations are not adapted to peat soils, low yields may be a result. The limiting factors for good production on peat may be poor water management, inadequately trained labour, inadequate manuring, poor field supervision, poor pest control, poor planting materials, amongst others. Yields could be enhanced by good regulation of soil micronutrients and increasing the field pH. Good quality plants and proper planting techniques are crucial for good anchorage of oil palms in the peat soil. New technologies are increasingly available, and it is important to update personnel quickly about these new techniques in all areas. Structured training programs and effective field supervision can contribute to good yields. Practices relating to oil palm production are being optimized, and many RSPO members are innovating their business and practices in a sustainable way. Some examples include 1. Better drainage systems. 2. Methane capture. 3. Balanced supply of fertilizers. 4. Planting new varieties of oil palm. 5. Recycling and reuse of waste. 6. Setting aside forest and peat areas for conservation and rehabilitation.